Are you struggling with Etsy SEO? When you do research with tools like eRank or Marmalade, you see that the competition is steep and it's super difficult to find profitable tags. If you're currently struggling with keywords, then I have a solution for you today that will help you rank your products on Google and other large search engines. So make sure to watch until the end. Hi and welcome back. If you're new to the channel, my name is Nancy and I help Etsy sellers turn their passions into profits. Make sure to subscribe to the channel for weekly videos. Now, if you are a seasoned seller, you probably know that your products show up on both Etsy search engine and Google amongst other large search engines. And if you're having a hard time finding keywords to rank for your products on Etsy, an alternative solution would be seeing if you could rank your products on Google and other large search engines. And the tool that I'll be using today to do keyword research is called Keywords Everywhere. And I'm going to leave my referral link in the text box and also in the comments below. If you end up using my referral link, you will receive 20% extra credits from your purchase. Now, this is a Chrome extension that you download to your browser, and when you are doing keyword research on Etsy, on Google, or even on YouTube, it shows you next to the word the volume for that keyword, plus it gives you a list of related keywords and trends for that particular product, which is very valuable when you're trying to find profitable keywords. Let me show you how it works. All right, so here we are on Google. And when you're using the Keywords Everywhere extension, it's going to be on your toolbar up here. It's going to have the little K, and that's the one that you will be using. Automatically, if you have it turned on, whenever you do a keyword research on Google or you're doing keyword research on Etsy or even on YouTube, whenever you type anything in here, it's going to give you the volume right here. It's going to give you the cost per click. It's going to tell you the competition. And it's also going to give you additional information like how difficult is it to rank for that keyword. If you're interested in learning more on SEO difficulty, is it a brand query? Is it on-page difficulty, off-page difficulty? You could just click here, detailed breakdown. It'll give you all of that information. And then here gives you trends for that particular keyword. You could see when is the time that people actually search for that. Is it an evergreen product? Is it more a seasonal product? And then down here, it gives you additional related keywords and then also what people are searching for. So this is a really good one. When I'm doing keyword research with this particular tool, I don't really focus on the competition, to be quite honest. This is more for if you're running Google AdWords, it will tell you what is the cost per click to use that particular word. I don't really focus on this right here. I just focus on the search volume, and I try to do anything from 500 and more. However, if I'm having a really difficult time finding keywords or tags for my particular product, then I do go at least 100 and up. That's kind of like the number I go with. And what I want to do is just find keywords that are going to be really easy for me to rank for. I don't necessarily go for keywords that says 70,000 monthly search. Those are really, really high. So if I had to pick a number to pick from, when I do this for my particular store, my main store, what I try to stick with is any number below 30,000. That's the numbers I stick with. Anything above that, I know it's going to be a little bit more difficult to rank for. And then these are additional keywords you could use, and it gives you the monthly search volume here. These are obviously all long tail keywords. Some of them make sense. Some of them you wouldn't use, like personalized tumblers near me. I wouldn't use that unless you're writing a blog article and maybe you do sell tumblers in your actual store and you want to use that to rank for in your area. Other than that, I wouldn't use that one. So you have to make sure that it still makes sense what keywords you're picking to use. But this gives you the data of how many monthly search volume that you could potentially use for. Now, keep in mind also, when you're not doing keyword research anymore, maybe you're just browsing the web, make sure that you click on the K right here and that you actually turn it off. So it's going to be a little tab right here. You could toggle this off and turn it off so you don't use your credits. because if you leave it on every time you do a search, it's going to pull from the credits. So just keep that in mind. Only use it when you're searching. And it's really cool, guys, because you could go in here, you could see all of these additional keywords that you could potentially use, not only for your Etsy store, but if you currently have an Etsy blog that you're trying to promote and grow, you could use these keywords for your blog to drive more traffic to your blog post that talks about personalized tumbler cups. You could use keywords everywhere to find tags that you could rank on Google amongst other large search engines. Please note that you don't rank as fast on Google like you do on Etsy. So I do recommend testing out new tags for a period of 30 to 60 days before doing any additional changes. Let me know in the comments if you will be trying out this new extension. Make sure to check out these videos on the screen to learn more on Etsy SEO. And thanks for watching.